गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों. टुडे we are going to discuss about the Srimad Bhagavad Gita chapter 6 and verse 33. The Arjun having some curiosity to know about this verse essence. The what is the verse? The verse is Arjun is telling to Lord Krishna, why my mind is getting restlessness. Several times I am doing practice to stable my mind, but I am not getting my stable my mind. So Lord Krishna, you suggest me what I can do, and you give me some suggestion. क्योंकि in the last chapter you have given so many knowledge regarding the yogi purush स्थित प्रज्ञ कि द योगी का चित्त हमेशा योग में रहने से उसका मन स्थिर रहता है. बट आई एम डूइंग सेवरल टाइम, बट आई एम नॉट गेटिंग स्टेबल माइंड इन माई लाइफ. सो यू सजेस्ट मी कि हाउ आई विल गेट द स्टेबल माइंड. सो in this view, the Lord Krishna is telling to Arjun, yes, you are telling absolutely right कि the mind is having some problem. So first you have to understand the reality of the mind. What is the mind? And the three things is the major things which is important to understand clearly. First is the कि what is your mind, what is the self, and what कि मतलब and what is the object. क्योंकि और mind is the group of object, and how the object is developed when your senses will attach the outer side. The outer side, it means कि the things are available in the outer side, and your mind is getting some response to physical things, and they will they will bring some object in our mind. The mind is a colony of the object, and the root of the fundamentals is the ego. So ego is the main playing the role, main doer of the central point of the mind. But ego is existing in the inner side, the self, the root of cause these objects is a ego. So first we would know who is the ego. Ego, it means कि ego is a ego understand itself कि I am incompleteness, the feeling of the incompleteness, and ego doesn't know who am I. So that there is a three things. First is the ego doesn't know कि who am I, and ego is living with the ignorance always. The second thing, ego is accumulating the object in the mind, and ego wants play with the object in the mind, but ego is not getting satisfaction. Then then I, aham, is going outer side for the material thing, physical things, and I want some fulfill their desireness. क्योंकि I is a incompleteness, so I will go outer side to complete their desire, and after getting the desire, I understand कि I will complete, but I never complete with the desire. So that time you will attach with your desire, and you attach with the physical things. Suppose I am giving the example. You are the student. You are doing, and your family has given the some model mind you कि you would study, you will become collector, you will become doctor, you become engineer, and anything according to their मानसिक model. So they are doing practice, they are doing struggle, and they will got the job. Maybe doctor, maybe collector, maybe leaders. So okay, but after he has become doctor, a collector, but he's not getting some peace. Why? Their mind is not getting some peace. They always living with the restlessness. It means they have sufficient money, they have all physically things, but they are not giving them happiness. What is the reason? So the man is always getting the restlessness in after getting the all facility, physically things, their job, their wife, and their family, but these are things not giving the happiness, not giving the calmness. Why? So in this condition, we are getting some frustrations, anger, depressions, so many things. So Arjun is saying, telling same things. The thing is, we are all is suffering the Arjun's problems. So we are all facing same problem, the Arjun's problems. So we are not the different from the Arjuns. We are the Arjun. We all are facing such type of the problem in our daily life. So the Lord Krishna is telling that ki first the three things. The first, it is the important things. If you would know about the three things which is trapped Arjun in their life, which he is not getting the some liberation from the bondage. So the Lord Krishna is saying three things. First is the you don't know who are you, ignorance, which is root of the cause, ego. And second things, mind, and he is playing with the object in the mind, but he is not getting satisfied. So he is going outer side with the material things, maybe physical things, and the outer side material things is not giving satisfy. Then man is getting some frustration, anger, depression, and all these things. So in this condition, the man is searching calmness. He's going to outer side, he's getting restlessness. So Lord Krishna is saying to Arjun, I am suggesting two words. First is the detachment, vairag, and abhyas. Arjun, you do practice vairag and abhyas. So first we would understand how you will get the vairag, detachment. So detachment comes from the knowing the self knowledge, ki who am I, and what is who am I, and what is the relation between the I and desire, what is the relation between I and nature, what is the relation between the Purush and Prakriti. If you would know the relation development of the things, and we would know about who am I, then you will get some liberation, then you will be detached. तो वैराग्य इट मीन्स नोविंग, जानना. दोस्तों वैराग्य का मीनिंग होता है जानना, किसी भी चीज़ को जानना. यदि इफ़ हम यानी वी नो आप एनी इसेंस ऑफ द मटेरियल थिंग्स, तो द थिंग वी विल फ्री फ्रॉम द material things, we will not trap in the material things, क्योंकि I know the material things is losing their existing in each and every moment. Suppose that this chair is made by the particles, plastic particles, but they are losing their existence which may from the beginning. So same thing, the child is birth, but they are growing, but they're after some times, and after some 35-40 year age, the body activity is decreasing. So all the particles will losing their existence. So everything you are looking in this world, they are losing their existence. So sat asat, इसलिए the Daovad is telling that कि मतलब सत असत, and the ego is understand anything in this world, they are not truth. क्योंकि द थिंग्स इज changing in each and every moment, so they are not truth. The ultimate truth is which is eternal. The eternal things is never never change, never changing. It means eternal मतलब अनित्य, नित्य, जो कभी चेंज नहीं होती. तो it means we are giving the example. One is the waves, लहरें. लहर is the अनित्य, and the सागर, the ocean is the, क्योंकि लहरें हमेशा, द वेव्स इज चेंजिंग, द वेव्स इज ग्रोइंग एंड डाउन, ग्रो एंड डाउन. लहरें हमेशा उठती है, गिरती है, लेकिन सागर इज, बट सागर, वेयर इज द सागर, सागर, द ओशियन इज द अदृश्य होता है, वो कभी हमें दिखाई नहीं देता दोस्तों. तो सेम थिंग्स, यू आर गेटिंग द ब्रेथ, बट यू डोंट नो कि हु इज टेकिंग द ब्रेथ. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स. And the world is the world, and you are looking the world is the mithya, because you don't know who is the nirakar of this world. So these are the things कि हम, we don't know anything about the relation between the outer world and inner side. So these are the problem. So self knowledge is learning. Self knowledge teach to us कि who am I. So if you are living with the good relevant good literatures, maybe Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Upanishad, and the all relevant granth, so definitely your consciousness will be nurtured. The vairag comes from the knowledge. Without knowledge, nobody can get detachment from anything. So it is telling, I am not telling that, it is telling Lord Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita. So Bhagavad Gita, it is the very very relevant literature of the humanity, and it is the essence of the Upanishad. Upanishad, it means, do you know meaning of the Upanishad? Upanishad, it means sit, niche, near sit to monk, and getting some self knowledge, and getting self knowledge from the monk to get the liberation. So that is the essence of the meaning of the Upanishad. So every day we are getting the self knowledge. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Upanishad, Brahma Sutra, Indian philosophy, these are the relevant granth, and you nurture your consciousness. Consciousness means who am I. There is a, every day matlab you are getting some problems, so you know all this happening inside your body. Why I am getting some experience, anubhav, it is a living things. Every time, every moment we are getting some experience, but experience is not the truth, क्योंकि experience is the only, matlab if you would understand your experience and any event, first you understand, then you will accept. Without understanding, you don't accept your experience and thought and everything which is happening inside your body, क्योंकि all this thing is coming from amygdala. Amygdala is the brain of the animal brains. There is existing emotion brain. Emotion, it is a chemicals which is arise from the DNA. So emotion brain is always matlab giving the robotic pattern. So you don't live in the emotion amygdala. Matlab we will study in the separately, but you will remain in the prefrontal cortex brain. Then you will awareness. So you develop awareness. Awareness comes from the knowledge. Everything, observation, aware, and self reflection and self knowledge comes from the knowledge. Without study of the relevant granth which I suggested you, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Upanishad, Indian philosophy, Durga Sapsati, you cannot understand your reality. You cannot detach of the anything, and you will get some problem, and you will trap in the Lok Dharmi Baba. They are giving their pravachan, and their pravachan is viral in everywhere with the media. Why they are? Because they 3 person is behind the Lok Dharmi Baba, the leaders and the industries person and the some Lok Dharmi Baba. These are the tikdi of the Lok Dharmi Baba. So matlab we need to bring awareness through this relevant granth. You develop your consciousness to read Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Upanishad and Bharati Darshan Shastra. So then automatically you will get some detachment from this physically vastu things. So every day you are knowing all the physical things, so you will detach. Self knowledge, when you self knowledge comes in your consciousness, automatically things will losing their power. So सहजता, self knowledge, detachment will वेरी सहजता के साथ हमारा वैराग्य खत्म हो जाता है यदि हम निरंतर इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू नर्चर और कॉन्शियसनेस थ्रू द रिलीजन ग्रंथ एंड एवरी डे यू डू प्रैक्टिस एंड व्हाट इज़ यू आर नोइंग एंड यू लिव विद द नोइंग. यदि आप जो जान रहे हैं उसको यदि जी रहे हैं तो यही अभ्यास है. तो अभ्यास लिव एंड डिटैचमेंट एंड अभ्यास द बोथ आर मूविंग टूगेदर. एंड वाई? क्योंकि इट इज़ अ राग एंड द्वेष. क्योंकि द ईगो इज ऑलवेज अटैचिंग द फिजिकली थिंग्स एंड द फिजिकल थिंग्स इज नॉट गिविंग हैप्पीनेस. द ईगो विल गेट फ्रस्ट्रेशन. क्योंकि राग एंड द्वेष, तो द्वेष कम्स फ्रॉम द अटैचमेंट. सो वी नीड टू डिटैचमेंट. तो राग एंड द्वेष, जब हम किसी चीज़ से आसक्त होते हैं और वो चीज़ हमें सुख नहीं देती तब हमें उससे हमें द्वेष उत्पन्न होता है. तो वी नीड टू गेट द लिबरेशन, detachment and attachment, and you will get the liberation. First you would know about the self knowledge. So the important thing is the self knowledge for you, and then you will able to get the detachment and liberation. So these are the very very important things to everyone. So I think you would understand about this attachment and detachment, how you will get the detachment and how you will get free from your bondage and liberation. And the liberation, it is the humanity mainly aim कि मतलब how you will get the liberation. Why? क्योंकि we born with the animal tendency and we need to liberation from the our animal tendency. So that Lord Krishna is telling to Arjun the 700 slok in the battle of the Mahabharat in the Kurukshetra to protect the dharma. So दोस्तों, you nurture your consciousness with the relevant granth, and I think if you are having any queries, you write down in your comment box and you subscribe my YouTube channels so that you will get some notification of the new message, and you send this video to your friends so that they will nurture their consciousness through this perspective. So thank you दोस्तों, have a nice day.